TextAid helps you to read and understand text. This document is a PDF and the text is small and it's quite daunting to think about reading that and understanding it. So you can listen with a really natural voice.
The importance of interpersonal communication. IPC has been growing, especially in the context of globalization and
So it reads with highlighting, and you can customize the highlighting and the voice as well. If you don't like text on a white background, you can choose in the settings the background color. And also it will change the font size and style, so it's just easier for you to follow the words more easily. You can also annotate the document to help you understand what the writing is saying. So you can type directly onto the document.
this needs to be handed in on Monday.
So it will echo back your own typing, and you probably saw some word prediction as well to help you find the words you need. You can also add post-it notes, whatever colour you want. You can highlight text to help you identify different parts that you want to look at. And there's free drawing and shapes as well. You can also highlight the text. So you've got a choice of 4 colours. You can highlight sections, maybe if you're revising or you want just part of the text in a separate document to help you focus on that particular bit. So it will collect your highlighting and put it into a new document. I'm just going to a different page here and doing a little bit more highlighting. And then I can collect it all. So it's now put in with the customization that I chose with the blue background and the font size and style and spacing and all my highlights there. The voices you use are really natural and they also pronounce words correctly. They know how to pronounce them.
They were too close to the door to close it. 14. The buck does funny things when the does. Females are present.
And you can pause the reading and then resume as well by pressing play. You can have more than one document open at a time, all the tabs along the top. And one great thing is you can store all of your documents in your library and you can organize them using folders. If you like to use Google Drive or OneDrive, you can access those there as well. Any of the documents can be saved as an MP3, which is really handy because you don't have to be in front of your computer to be listening to the text being read aloud. Sometimes you feel really tired if you're having to look at the screen for a long time. And also you can download it to your phone. So if you open your TextAid account on your phone, you can download it straight away onto there. So you don't have to be sending it to yourself as an email or anything. When doing your own typing, I showed you earlier that it will echo back the words and sentences to you, so you can make sure that you've typed what you wanted to say. You can also use the spell checker. So it shows you which words are incorrect, and then if you click on them, you can hover over each word and listen.
Type.
And click if it's the correct word, so you can hear the word, so you know it's right. You can also look up a word. So if you're not sure of the meaning of a word, you can listen to it and then look it up on the internet or in the dictionary, and you can listen to the definition. You can also have a document translated. So if you're maybe studying another language or English isn't your first language, you can click translate and then select a different language and have it translated. It doesn't just translate the text, it also changes the voice, and all the spellings and the word lookup is in that language as well. Then you can listen to it And when you've finished and you want to change it back, you can click Revert Translation and it will go back to what you were using before, the language you were using. You can also dictate into the text by using the Dictate button, and you can format your typing too. The image to text button does just that. If you're in a library maybe and you've got a book and you want to have a page read to you and you also want to save it, you can use the image to text button, take a photograph, and then it will be saved into your library. You can either choose an editable version or the read-only version. This is what I did with this. This was a page from a book, Gunpowder Plot. I took a photograph of it and I can now have it read to me. If I prefer to have a different colour background, I can choose text mode and have it with the blue background. I can also use the annotation button and the highlighter button to help me annotate and so understand the text a little bit more. It's really great to use this image to text button when you're using TextAid on your phone. You always have your phone with you, don't you? So you can take a photograph with it and it's really easy and quick. It's not just your own documents and your own typing that you can have read to you. You can also have web pages read. You use an extension. You can have an extension for any browser you like. I'm using Chrome. Select the text and then have it read to you.
Cornea is a transparent dome-shaped tissue that forms the front part of your eye.
With highlighting, and you can change the voice and the speed of the voice and the highlighting all in the tools. If you use your email online, it's useful too because you can have your emails read to you, and also as you're typing, it will read back what you've typed. TextAid can be used anywhere you've got an internet browser. So this is my phone. Mine's an Android phone. You can use it on iPhone too. I've gone into my browser, my Chrome browser, and logged into my TextAid account. I also have it as a shortcut on my homepage, so I've got quick access to reading and help with my typing anywhere I am. I particularly like how the library is there. Wherever I am, I can access my documents, open them, have them read to me. Really handy. And also the image to text button, which I was talking about earlier. It's really handy for you to take a photograph of some text using your phone, and then you've got it there to have it read to you. If you've got any questions about TextAid, please email me and ask away, and I'll do my best to answer your questions.